If you love thrifting, thrift flips, thrifted home decor, you are in the right place. In today's video, we are headed to our favorite spot, the Goodwill Bins. You never know what you're going to find. It's a treasure hunt. Every time we're going to see what we can find, give it a makeover, or leave it as is and just style in our homes. I think y'all going to enjoy today's video. Let's go ahead and get started. And I want to thank Squarespace for kindly sponsoring today's video. Ooh, look at this watercolor. All right, love that. My cart is very brown today. I get very excited when I find great artwork, especially when it's artist signed, and watercolors is one of my favorite kinds of art. And these pictures, these artwork, you don't need to hang them on the wall. These small ones are perfect just to add on a shelf or into a little vignette that you already have. Ooh, I see a candlestick I need. Oh no, it's chipped. Maybe I could use it as a base for something and then put something on top of it and then paint the whole thing. I'm gonna grab it from my stash. Pushing around my cart with my one little broken candlestick in it. All right, let's rescue this little candlestick. So I went through my stash. I always have lots of figurines and birds. Always pick those pieces up when you find them. This bird fit perfectly on here. I grabbed a little hot glue and I just glued it to the top. And I actually think the colors went together so well. I don't think we should paint it. I think it looks really great, but I do want to bring the two pieces together. So instead of painting it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my Dixie Belle Van Dyke glaze. I love this. As you can see, I use it a lot. And I'm going to paint over the whole piece. Not only is it going to hide the little broken part, but it's just going to really bring these pieces together and make them a little bit darker and moodier. But I do want to paint something, and apparently I forgot to film the part of me gluing these two pieces together. It is another bird from my stash and a finial. Always pick up birds, always pick up finials, and they look great together. I wanted to go with a fun spring color, so I use Fusion paint in the color Lichen, and I'm going to do one quick coat on here. I really did like the color of the finial, so in the end I decided to leave the bottom part the natural color. So I just wiped that away with a baby wipe, and then I wanted to really bring out the detail of the bird and also tie into the other piece that I created. So I took the Dixie Belle Van Dyke wax and I just put it on just the bird, not the finial, and I took a dry paper towel and wiped off all of the excess, and this really brought out all of the details in the bird. Spring decor doesn't always have to be bright. It could also be dark and moody and sophisticated, and I feel like that is exactly how these pieces turn out. So y'all, never pass up a candlestick, never pass up a finial, never pass up a bird. You could put these pieces together and they always come out amazing. This is cute. This little floral tin right here. I love the colors on it. UNESCO, made in Hong Kong. It was from Tuesday Mornings. I love that store. I think they all closed down. I used to find lots of great stuff at Tuesday Mornings. These vintage decorative tins are great, unique, beautiful pieces of decor, and they are also functional. So my teenage daughter has lots of little memorabilia things hanging around her room, so I gathered them up and I put them in this tin. So not only will it keep her items safe, but it also looks beautiful in her room, and I used it as a little riser for this beautiful, unique pottery piece. And actually everything you see in this picture is thrifted except for the olive branch tree. Squarespace is who I chose to host my e-commerce store, and when I started, my website only had one tab, the home decor section, and since starting my website, my business and website has grown exponentially, and Squarespace had everything that I needed to accommodate that growth. Squarespace is extremely user-friendly, so as I added more products, it was very easy for me to redesign and redo my website on my own. But if you do need help, Squarespace has an excellent help center as well as 24-hour customer service. And not only can you add physical products, but you can add digital downloads. You could add subscription-based products. So whether you're big, small, or growing, Squarespace has everything you need to run your business. So y'all go check out squarespace.com/Julie's Designs and Signs. And Squarespace is giving my viewers 10% off when you use code Julie's Designs and Signs. And I will have everything linked in the description below for y'all. I don't know what this is. Looks too small to be a placemat. It is a good size for maybe some artwork. I don't know. Put that in my cart and see if I can come up with an idea for that piece. All right, I came up with an idea. I actually want to do a whitewash on here. I think that will really bring out all of the texture and the basket weave pattern on here. So I grabbed my Fusion Mister and Fusion paint in the color Raw Silk. It's a beautiful warm white. I just did one quick coat on this little piece, and once it dried, I came back and did another coat just on the edges, and that'll kind of frame this piece out. This is currently my favorite transfer, the Rose Botanical Transfer. It actually sold out the last time I showed it, but good news, it is back in stock if you want to grab it. They have so many different color roses and size roses, as well as typography to choose from on this transfer. Okay, this is a pants hanger, and I love using these to hang up artwork or tapestry. So I put that on first. That's how I'm going to hang it. That way I can kind of figure out where I wanted to put my transfer and just have it centered on the piece. So you take the backer off your transfer and you lay it down. You're going to take your transfer tool and you're going to rub it. And y'all, I never have problems getting transfers off, especially when I use Fusion paint, but there is a lot of texture here, and I was honestly shocked how easily this transferred. I had no issues, and it looks absolutely beautiful on here. Maybe when I go to the bins, I'll come across some more of these so I could sell some to y'all, because when y'all see the final product, you're going to want some. And even the wording, as small as it was, transferred perfectly. I just can't get enough of this transfer. It looks amazing on everything that I put it on. I want to seal the transfer to make sure it stays on this piece. So I'm using the Dixie Belle clear coat in a flat finish. I always lean towards a flat finish, but before the clear coat dries, it does look glossy, and I thought that looked really beautiful on this piece and really brought out and highlighted the basket texture. So I think either the flat or the glossy would have been a great choice on a clear coat on this piece. I cannot get over how great this little artwork came out. Loving this transfer. I am loving how the whitewash looks on this little basket weave piece. I still have no idea what it is, but I love it and I want to find some more. Look at this Moody print right here. It is a print, not a painting. I think that is really pretty. I'm gonna get this. Even though I like these darker, moodier prints, I didn't feel like they really went with my decor, but I decided to try styling this one in my home. I already had a spot for it. It went perfectly in front of this larger frame with a brighter print, and as you can see, they look really great together. So if you like this, pick it up and just try it in your home. You may love the way that it looks. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you are inspired. Please leave a comment below and let me know what is your favorite project that I created in today's video, or your favorite piece of home decor. I have a very exciting announcement for y'all, and I'm super excited about next week's video because next Thursday, February 13th, is the spring IOD release. Y'all get so excited when IOD releases new products, and this one is going to be great. They have 17 new pieces, including the smaller size transfers that y'all love and I love as well, because it is so much easier to ship and easier to store as well. A few releases ago, they came out with the new little 4-packs of stamps. They're gonna have some of those as well. Just think spring and amazing. Y'all gonna love it. So make sure I'll leave a link to my newsletter in the description, as well as a link to the event on Facebook, because I'm going to be going live and showing you all of the new release, and then I'm going to use some of it in next Friday's video. So y'all stay tuned for that. And of course, you can find all of the products and the IOD and everything on my website, juliesdesignsandsigns.com. And if you're interested in starting your own website, y'all go to squarespace.com/juliesdesignsandsigns, and they are giving my viewers 10% off, and I will have all of that linked in the description. Y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all next week. Bye guys.